JavaScripters. It sucks not having console.log in After Effects Expressions, doesn't it? But there is something that works in pretty much the same way. Hey, and welcome to Solving. I dabble in expressions, and up until recently the only way I knew to see what was going on was to add a text layer and add in the same expression to the source text. But that's awkward, unwieldy, and slows everything down. Instead, what I do these days lets me use After Effects error bar as a console log. And I do that by throwing an error. Here's a really cool expression based on Danabet's fade by layer marker, except this version fades up each time this value has a new keyframe. The adaptation is a work of genius, and I'm allowed to say that because Dan adapted it for me on Creative Cow's forums. Anyway, the point is, it's a complex expression with some nested if statements, and if I needed to debug it, this is what I do. Let's find out the value of p.keyN.time. Above the if statement, I'm going to edit the expression and type throw new error, lowercase t, capital E, brackets, and the variable I want to see, close brackets. Clicking off the expressions area, A gives me the error bar, which if I expand, there after the error, it reports exactly what the value inside the brackets is. And if I just edit out the .time bit, so I'm looking at the p.keyN, then it shows me that value. Now, throw new error isn't as comprehensive as console.log. You can only have one error per expression, but it will list out array values for you, unlike a text layer. You can, though, comment out throw new error, so you can keep them handy if you need them. It's certainly quicker than adding a text layer for debugging. And that's it. If this was helpful, please like this video. Dan's awesome expression for fading opacity by keyframe is linked in the description below. Sorry, YouTube doesn't allow for more than and less than, so it's easier this way. If you have a better way of debugging expressions inside After Effects, please post in the comments below. I'd love to learn about it.